Okay, I will demonstrate the ctest library, which is a unit test library implemented in C in order to be used for implementing unit tests for C code. And this repository is in my personal GitHub account. We will use the version 1_0. Here we have a README file that has everything that we need to know to execute our project. So we can go here to the table of contents and check the requirements first. So the requirements basically are make and GCC. Then we go to the section 5, using ctest. And basically, from this section, we can execute the commands necessary to use our library. First thing that I'm going to do is to clone our project to a local repository. I'll make sure that we are in the branch version 1_0. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to run the command make. The command make will create the folder that we are going to use to compile our unit tests. So I'll go to my ctest root and execute make. And now I'm able to see this build folder here that was created after executing the make command. Inside the build folder, we have this folder, ctest_lib. This folder is the folder that we are going to copy to the root of our main target function. So we copy it here, and now we are going to create this example file in which we are going to test a function called add that basically adds an integer to another integer. So we're going to copy the code here, and we are going to create the file called unittest.c. Unittest.c. Paste. We are going to paste the code here. So basically, the function that will be tested is the implementation is here. Add. It's a simple implementation. We have some edge cases here, and we have some domain cases here. So it is expected that our function passes all those tests. So after creating our file, we are going to compile our C code with the unit tests. And after compiling, we have the unit test.x. We can execute it, and the final result is here. We have a suite with two modules. The first module edge cases, the second module domain cases. All the tests were passed. So we have 7 tests. We have 7 successes. Now I'm going to change our implementation of the function add. In this case, we have a wrong implementation here. The result will not be a plus b, but a plus 1. So it must fail in some test cases, and we are going to check that. We are going to compile again and execute the tests again. In this time, we are going to save the results in a txt file. So we can see the results here. So let's go to the end of this summary of our suite. We have 7 test cases, 2 successes, and 5 failures. So our wrong implementation, as expected, didn't pass in all tests. And the failure results are detailed in each module here. So we have the failure messages detailing each failure.